Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X6 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then do that once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can just either tap on it or hold it. I recommend holding it, as the first time around when you go in here, you can see that we have just some kind of like random settings set. So obviously by holding it, you can navigate here, customize the mode to fit your needs, and from there, once it's set, you don't ever have to come back there again. Now, one of the interesting options here is the schedule mode, so you can select a fully automatic schedule, which will turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode at the selected the day of the week and start and end time by you. Now, there is one that comes pre-made by default, which is the 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. every single day, but you can tap on the text itself and actually change it if you want to, or create more by clicking on the plus button. And anyway, once you come through the settings and close this, find the toggle once more, and whenever you want to enable it manually, so not through the schedule, you can just simply click on a toggle, select turn on, and you're good to go. Now, there was no setting to allow you to have it enabled for a specific amount of time, so once you manually turn it on, you will need to remember to turn it off. So just find the toggle once again and tap on it once you're done needing it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.